Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm going to be dyeing a pair of my old tights yellow, so stay tuned to see how it goes. Since we're going to be dyeing cotton, we're going to add salt to our water. Then we're going to add a little bit of dish soap. And you want to mix that all together before adding your dye. And I'm going to be using this yellow right here. You want to make sure you pre-wet your garment before you stick it in the dye. Make sure it's pre-wet. I'm going to put it in there and stir that thing all around. You want to make sure you have your garment evenly distributed so you won't have any creases that won't get dyed. Clothes will be looking like tiger stripes, so you want to make sure everything is not folded. And you want to do this about 20-30 minutes to make sure your stuff is dyed. Like, you don't want no half dyed stuff. I know I don't. Now when you're done with that, you're going to rinse with cold water. You want to make sure you rinse all the dye out. Rinse until your water just be clear. You don't want to see no more color after you squeeze your garment out or whatever you dyeing. So you just want to rinse it, rinse it, rinse it. And voila, this is how mine's turned out. I like them, they cool, you know, for an old pair of tights. And I do it again. But yeah, this is how mine turned out. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace.